Unlike Formula One's roaring engines, Formula E is all about cutting-edge, eco-friendly electric racing. This year, Formula E raced in 11 global cities, with London hosting the thrilling finale for Season 10. Known for its unique half-indoor, half-outdoor circuit, the track winds through the Royal Victoria Dock and Excel Centre. The event always ends with a bang, offering fantastic racing and great overtaking spots. Even the venue was packed with energy, from a gaming arena to live music, making it the perfect finale for any Formula E fan. If you're thinking about attending next year, this is your sign. Formula E in London is more than just a race. It is an experience that you can't miss.
To get to London's Excel Centre, there's multiple routes that you can take. We happen to take the tube to North Greenwich and then the cable car over to the Excel Centre.
You can also take the new Elizabeth line. The cable car costs a bit more, about an extra £5 or £6 on top of the daily cap for TfL, but I think the views are worth it. And you can just tap with your bank card. Often you'll see people queuing up for tickets, but you can just tap. That's the O2 and the city in the distance. A third mode of transport is actually a boat to the Excel.
An Uber boat.
Some wakeboarding.
I think down here you can also do open water swimming, both of which we have yet to try.
I got that on camera.
After getting off the cable car, it's only about a 10-minute walk to the Excel Centre.
This boat is actually a hotel.
Lots of events are held here. It's a very big venue. This is actually our third year that we've been to Formula E at the Excel.
Yeah, there's lots to do, from little go-karts for kids, the gaming arena,
and of course, lots of Formula E cars to see around the venue. This is the qualifying session that takes place a few hours before the actual race, and includes a group stage and a dual stage, which is then used to determine the starting grid. This map shows what the circuit is like this year and where our seats have been for the last 3 years. And they have lots of games you can play, as Ian was saying. This is one he took part in and unfortunately didn't do great.
Test your reaction, which I thought I would be good at because I can juggle, but the lights really threw me off, so that's my excuse. Yeah, it's much more than just a Formula E race. There's so much else going on.
And they get fairly big people to come and perform. The first year was Nina Nesbitt, the second year was Ella Eyre, and the third year is Ella Henderson. And here we are sitting in our seats just before the start of the race. Even though you would think that you'd probably want to sit at the start and finish line, having sat at all the bends for the past 3 years, I'd say those are more exciting because you often see crashes and overtakes there.
And the fan village is still open after the race, so you can walk back around it when it's a bit quieter and have a look at everything that you might have missed earlier.
Even though Ian and I aren't exactly motorsports fans, we always find ourselves being drawn back to Formula E. Due to all the other activities and entertainment around the race, it makes for a great day out.